on me, hiding all my tears, wash away my fears. Rain running down my face, trying to erase the love I can't replace. Now love left me here to die, without a word, not even goodbye. And now I'm standing here in pain, the empty place inside, hit by the pouring rain. Rain falling down on me, a drop for every tear shed throughout the year. Rain starts in the early spring, it comes as winter goes with the melting snow. So let the cleansing waters flow and wash away the pain that binds my soul. And when the storm comes to an end, I'll brush away the pain, free to love again.